let us introduce ourselves, all people on this land. We are the Water Brothers.
When center goals are won,
I bet you all are wondering, who is this young unknown? And why am I inheriting the Anvilian throne?
Yes, why? Yes, why? Oh, please, please tell us why.
The bottom of the family tree starts with Yakko, that is me. I'm the cousin to the sister of the son's niece's mother, of the uncle's daughter's father, of the nephew's sister's mother, and my grandma's only cousin was the king's daughter's sibling. But they're all gone, and that is why I am now your king.
He is now our king.
Yes, I am now your king. Repeat what I just said.
Repeat what I just said.
And that the Anvils ring. Okay, Yakko's Mania. What's for Anvils? So good citizens, I pledge to you, I'll do the best that I can do for on our country and the clean. Let the Anvils ring.
Let the Anvils ring.
Let the Anvils ring.
Let the Anvils ring.